this is Anne from Odulcina Scrap. Tonight I want to show you my latest kit, which are antique labels that I printed on fabric. Of course, you can print them on paper as well. You're gonna see at the end of this video an example, but in this case I wanted to print fabric labels, like old vintage labels, or we call them étiquettes in French. So I aligned all my labels as you can see, they're all aligned the same length, and at the top they are at the same level. So this way you're gonna be able to cut them easily. So I printed them on a sticker sheet, and now to cut them I just have to cut a little bit and then I can tear down. So now that I did the top, I can create a little cut on each side, and because they are all aligned, when I'm gonna tear, it's gonna do the whole row at one time. This will help you to trim them. You can use scissors to make a correction, like in this case I didn't tear correctly, so I'm gonna correct it with a pair of scissors. So of course you can cut your labels with scissors as well, but if you're like me, you might like the tearing edges with all those little threads. So this was really important to me, to be able to tear down and the fabric easily. So that's why they're all aligned. In the kit you have those big labels, but you have the regular size labels as well, and you have a smaller size label, of all the same labels in those 3 different sizes, ready to be printed by you. So you just have to pick which paper. Keep all of the reject fabric because you can use them to create ruffles, fabric ruffles, or you can stamp on them if you have stamps, rubber stamps. You can write down, you can use them as fabric layers. So I would definitively keep them. Look at that, isn't it gorgeous? It really seems like a real antique label, and I love the design. I created to my own taste, so if you have a similar taste like me, you're gonna love that kit. So this is the kit. You have numbers as well in a section, and I printed the kit on paper just to show you like a little overview of the kit. You have different labels, you even have scripting, you have numbers, because I love those little labels where it's just a random number with a nice font of typewriter or fancy lettering, like those 2 here. So you have some in the kit of that, and different labels. Of course, you can print other designs too, right? So I printed strips, pink and green. This is from another kit, but that was just because I was printing on fabric, and I wanted to remember you that you can print on fabric any digital that you have, actually. So this, I'm gonna use it because I don't find those cute designs in the store for fabric, so I'm gonna print my own designs. So I wanted some stripes, So here we go. I now have green and pink ones. So look at the link below. I'm gonna put a link to an older video that shows you how to print on fabric in details. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye bye.